I am the HVAC repair guy. I have over 17 years experience in the HVAC industry, starting as a service tech and ending as a contractor. Today we are looking at the Acekool CP1 and the Insignia NS-AC06PWH1. The biggest technical difference between these two comes down to their refrigerant types and the warranty protection shielding your wallet from premature equipment failure. Both units use a single hose configuration. As a technician, I need you to understand that single hose designs are fundamentally inefficient because they vent conditioned room air outside to cool down the compressor. This creates a negative pressure zone inside your room, forcing hot, humid outdoor air to infiltrate through gaps under your doors and windows. This infiltration forces the machine to work harder to cool the same space. When we look inside, neither unit features inverter technology. They both rely on traditional single-speed compressors that run at 100% capacity or 0% capacity. This means when the room hits the set point, the compressor shuts down completely, and when the room warms up, it kicks back on with a heavy electrical draw. Efficiency is measured by the Energy Efficiency Ratio, or EER. The Acekool CP1 has an EER of 7.7, while the Insignia NS-AC06PWH1 comes in slightly lower at 7.5. What this means for a homeowner is that the Insignia converts slightly less electricity into cooling capacity, raising your monthly power bills over a long summer compared to the Acekool unit. Both of these machines carry a rated sound level of 53 decibels. At 53 decibels, you are looking at a constant noticeable hum equivalent to a running dishwasher. From a reliability perspective, the lack of complex variable frequency drives makes these machines simple to diagnose, but the constant on-off cycling wears out mechanical components faster. The Acekool CP1 utilizes R32 refrigerant, while the Insignia relies on R290 propane refrigerant, meaning service tools and handling properties differ if a system leak ever occurs. Maintenance is non-negotiable if you want these units to survive. Both use standard filters that require cleaning every 2 weeks because restricted airflow starves the indoor coil, drops pressures, and eventually slugs the compressor with liquid refrigerant. Smart features are completely absent here, with neither unit offering Wi-Fi capability or voice control. The upside of having no smartphone apps or wireless chips is that there are fewer circuit board relays to burn out from line voltage fluctuations. Warranty coverage is where the comparison splits wide open. Acekool provides a 2-year warranty on both the unit and the compressor, whereas Insignia offers only 1 year of coverage. The compressor is the heart of the refrigeration circuit, and if it fails outside of warranty, the cost of labor and parts exceeds the replacement price of the unit, turning a minor failure into a total loss. Looking at current market retail pricing, the Acekool CP1 sells for $279, while the Insignia NS-AC06PWH1 is priced at $249. My recommendation is the Acekool CP1. The $30 premium pays for itself through a higher EER rating and an extra year of warranty coverage on the compressor, providing far better long-term ownership value. That is how you shop like a pro.